वतन की फिजाओं से दूर यहाँ पर अमेरिका में न्यू जर्सी में आप सब देखने वालों का आज तक पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत। एट द बिहाफ ऑफ इंडिया फेयर, एट द बिहाफ ऑफ राजेश एंड अरुण आनंद, मैं स्वागत करना चाहता हूँ उस अभिनेत्री का जिसने लोगों के दिल में वो जगह बनाई है, प्रीति जिंटा। प्रीति, वेलकम टू आज तक। हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm very good, thank you.
You know, you're looking lovely, and I think in New Jersey there's so many NRIs and so many young individuals who want to be like address somebody like you, how they can enhance their talent, their their qualities, so they can get to the mainstream.
So they can get to the mainstream, you mean as a performer? Oh, well, I think all I want to say is that in life, be it performance, be it anything, you have to back yourself. So if you have belief in yourself and you're ready to back yourself up, there's nothing in the world you cannot achieve.
And pretty like I think the NRIs in this part of the world are very very talented, and I think somebody like you should perhaps do some kind of educational tour or some kind of guidance to them so they can really improve upon their skills and talent.
I think first thing I would really like to say to everybody who wants to get in the entertainment business and their parents, please do not encourage young teenagers to get into the business. I think it's very, very important for them to finish their education because you have to be ready for the world out there, you know. If you're not properly educated, there's a saying that says only those people do well in life who are successful at plan B. So you never know what's going to really happen in your life. So I think plan B is very important, and plan B is education. Everyone thinks, nahi, nahi, education ki koi zarurat nahi hai, you don't need it. But you always need it. It's like that one key that can open every door. So I think as long as you have a sound education, you have a good intent to do something, and you believe in yourself, and you can see it in front of you, then it's going to happen.
You know, you came to India Fair and you met so many people. So, what was your experience like today?
It was wonderful. You know, I think I really thank God that He's given me more than I've ever imagined. And I think I'm incredibly lucky to go to a place and see people smiling, you know, just to see happy faces. And I think every time I travel out of India, and especially when I come to New York, New Jersey, this is like a second home to me. I've done so many movies out here. Those movies have done exceptionally well. So it's like home away from home, and it was nice to see a sea of smiling faces, and everybody was so happy. So it felt great.
You know, Preeti, like the things in India, what is going on, the political scene. You have any comments on that?
Well, I have a lot of comments, but all I can say is that let's wait and watch. मेरे comments से तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला. If my comments made such a big difference, then I would have written a 10-volume book, you know, with 10 volumes. So I just hope that I think more than the hard core political parties and people who discuss politics, it's very, very, very important for the younger generation to be involved. And the only way the younger generation can be involved is if they go vote. So I think if you take the responsibility of going and voting, you are doing a lot for your country in one simple step on one day, because that changes the whole future of your country. So a lot of the youth today feel ki, "Arey, you know, I don't like this, or I don't like this politician," and they don't go and vote. But it's that not going and voting hurts the next 5 years for all our futures. So I think it's very, very important for people to go and vote. And I think the color of a blood is the same. So it doesn't matter what religion you are or where you're from. People always blend better than governments. So I think if that can be taken care of, India, there's no stopping India at all.
You know, Preeti, that
Correct answer.
absolutely. You know, you have done so many movies, and I think you have been role model to so many young individuals. You know, I think people, your fans, like what I saw today at India Fair, they want more of you. So, what is coming up next as far Preeti Zinta is concerned, as far movies are concerned?
I had taken a bit of a gap because I was working on King's 11, but now the business is no more a startup, it's settled. So this year I'm doing two movies. You'll see them very soon, actually. One is with Saif called Happy Ending, and one is with Sunny and Arshad called Bhaiya Ji Super Hit. I'm almost like 50-60% done with that. And then there are some other projects which you'll hear the announcement soon. So yeah, I'm back.
You know, would you like to be back here next year at India Fair?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I'd like to be. Tell me, I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? Everyone's happy to see you. You're happy to see everyone. Weather भी कुछ अच्छा है. Thank God आज बारिश नहीं हुई. It didn't rain and it wasn't cold. Otherwise, I would have frozen. And I always have good memories associated with this part of the world. So, of course, always happy to be back.
On the behalf of Ashtak, I really want to thank you, Preeti. You have been so kind and you have been so gracious. हिंदुस्तान की हवाओं की तरफ से और पूरे हमारे न्यू जर्सी की तरफ से पूरे अमेरिका की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रिया.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, are we done?